petitions.
Thank you, Speaker. I, Joseph Manje, on behalf of Retha and Retha Products investors and interested stakeholders in the country, draw the attention of the House to the following. That Kenya Retha Development Council, KLDC, is a state corporation established under Kenya Retha Development Council Order 2011 vide legal notice number 114 of 2011 under the State Corporations Act. The Council is a specialized agency that provides advisory services on matters relating to processing and trading of hides and skins, leather and leather goods, overseas licensing in the leather subsector, enhances leather marketing strategies, and regulates, harmonizes, coordinates, and facilitates the growth of leather industry in the country. That KLDC was formed on a private-public partnership to represent the interests of the leather sector, with representation drawn from the Kenya Livestock Marketing Council, Slaughterhouses Association, Hinds and Skins traders, tanners, footwear manufacturers, informal leather manufacturing, and the academia. That the council was initially placed under the Ministry of Industrialization and Enterprise Development, where the leather sector was categorized as a flagship industry before being transferred to the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock, where the core mandates of leather promotion is largely ignored or underfunded. That recently, the recent appointment of board members and the council's senior management have been unfairly skewed towards a particular region of the country, which has shifted the council's focus from promotion of leather and leather products manufacturing to hides and skins improvement, which is essentially a devolved function. That the council senior management has been undertaking unauthorized recruitment of staff and has presided over the closure of 3 tanneries, the massive decline in industry exports earnings, the increase of imported footwear, the liberatory, mislabeled second-hand footwear, the shrinking of the market for semi-processed leather and leather general marketing, and growth crisis currently being faced and leather industry in the country. That the council has failed to adhere to the prescribed government regulation to commenting constructions of 4 warehouses in Kinare, Machakos County under Kenya Leather Industry Park programs at a cost of 1.2 billion on a site that is yet to be surveyed and which belongs to the Export Processing Zone Authority. That efforts to have this matter resolved by the Kenya Leather Development Council and other authorities have not borne any fruit, and that the matters raised in this petition are not pending in any court of law in Kenya. Mr. Speaker, therefore, your humble petitioners pray that the National Assembly, through the Departmental Committee on Trade, Industry and Cooperatives, 1, investigates the matter with a view to recommending urgent transfer of oversight of the Kenya Leather Development Council from the State Development for Livestock to the State Department for Industrialization. 2, ascertain the qualifications of the board members and the council's senior management, as well as their commitment towards improvement of the leather industry. 3, investigate the controversial construction of warehouses on over 1,000 100 acres of land belonging to the Export Processing Zones Authority, the possible irregular reallocation of rights meant for common affluent treatment plant towards construction of the warehouses, and the procurement and general planning of the project. And lastly, makes any other further recommendation that it deems fit in the circumstances of the petition. And your petitioners will ever pray. Thank you.
Very well. Petition referred to the Committee on Trade. Is it Trade and Industry?
Yes.